Hi guys, how are you all unaru? Hope you all are doing good. Today I am back with one more vlog. Today we are going to Sanghi Temple, which is in Hyderabad. Let's go. So I am here at Sanghi Temple. This temple was constructed in 1991. We are having Lord Venkateshwara and Lord Shiva there, and here most of the film shoots were happened, and the timings will be this one. You can see it here. And this temple is maintained by Sanghi family. It's a very nice place to hang out with families here. We can spend a good time. Now I am here at Birla Mandir. Let's see. They are not allowing cameras, mobiles into the temple, so you need to lock it in the clock room here. That's it. So the places that which we visit today, both are beautiful. Like, you can have good time with family as well. Please do like, share, comment, subscribe to IamA Traveler.